Hi, I'm Gina Dansbourg, a long-time devotee and now owner of Delbourg.
I am proud to present to you a fascinating world that I entered about 18 years ago, when I met the wonderful and charismatic Mrs. Delbourg and immediately became a devotee of her magical crème sorcière and the spellbinding beauty ritual. Passionate about skincare, Mrs. Delbourg set out to create her own formulas based on the philosophy at the basis of the theory that embodied her scientific conviction, homeostasis. It is with this theory that she developed her iconic cream, christened Crème Sorcière for its bewitching results by a well-respected journalist and sold in her beauty salons to a faithful clientele by word of mouth for over 40 years. Taking inspiration from pharmacopoeia, biology, phytotherapy, biochemistry, all Delbourg products are formulated with the greatest respect for the skin. Delbourg products are developed from herbal plants and noble ingredients, all selected according to scientific principles and formulated to be combined and mixed with each other to suit the needs of each user. At the core of this mixology are the crème sorcière and eau sorcière. Together, they form the fundamental basis of all Delbourg treatments. Their magical synergy will both restore and safeguard the skin's hydrolipidic barrier, ensuring skin is well balanced and functions correctly, leaving your skin glowing and radiating health and beauty. In total, a full range of products combining scientific rigor, noble ingredients, organic herbal plants, sensual pleasure, and lasting results. Today, I am delighted to be able to share these closely guarded secrets with you.